Let me show you how I converted my Mabuhay miles to SMAC points in just a few simple steps. I logged into my Mabuhay Miles account, then scrolled down and clicked on SMAC. It displays the conversion rate from Mabuhay Miles to SMAC points. I entered the number of miles I wanted to convert. Then I input in my SMAC account number. Next, it shows the redemption summary. If everything looks good, I just proceed. Initially, I had some issues logging in, but after contacting PAL through their website, someone from PAL called to help me out. Now, I can use my Mabuhay miles for grocery shopping via SMAC. My miles now turns practical for me. Let me know if you found this helpful.